One of the most common challenges with growing a beard and especially keeping a beard would be beard drift, aka beard dandruff. But I have the solution for you guys. It is pretty much 100% success rate. A lot of things in bearding and beard care are subjective, and you got to think about your personal variables and your skin type, your hair type, your climate, all that stuff. Not here. It's very simple to kind of solve this. I'm going to give you guys the answer right away. You don't even have to wait till the end of the video. I will go back and explain, but to break it down for you guys, follow this process and you will get rid of your beard dandruff. Number one, normally you need to drink more water. Now this one isn't for everyone. The other steps are going to be for everybody, but most of us can afford to drink a little bit more water, and you would be shocked at the impact of being dehydrated or not optimally hydrated, especially on your skin, and what that does to beard dandruff. Drink more water, number one. Number two, every day in the shower, exfoliate physically. Not with a product, don't get an exfoliator scrub or anything like that. Simply use a comb in the shower to rake your skin. Now don't be over aggressive, right? You know us guys, if there's like a screw you gotta put in, we go too hard on it. No, let the tool do the work, don't work the tool, but essentially you're physically agitating your skin and getting stuff broken up and off the surface. Number two, use a quality daily gentle beard wash 6 days a week. And then on the 7th day a week, use a stripping wash. This is going to be after exfoliating. What are we doing? We're breaking up everything that's on the surface. When we exfoliate, then we use a wash to kind of get rid of it and go in and clean out those pores. And then the last step, you guys, is use a quality beard oil out of the shower on a damp beard, but don't use too much. Now, there is where we do have some variables where this oil might work better for you. That oil may work better for me. Just use a quality oil. So to recap on this, you guys, drink enough water, exfoliate in the shower every day, wash in the shower every day, and use a beard oil after the shower. Done. I'll go into some other details and some things to consider that might be causing it, and we can kind of figure out what's going on. But that hopefully helps you guys out. If you found that useful, hit a thumbs up. Even if it's like, yeah, Dan, I've been doing that. You're right. It works. That is appreciated. To introduce myself before we go into an explanation, welcome to this video, welcome to this channel. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and we go over things that are related to beards. A lot of my subscribers have given me the nickname and continue to use it, the trusted teacher for all things beard related, and I do take that seriously. So if you want to learn more about your beard, if you just like beards in general and you're not already, please consider subscribing. It's free and it does help out my career and my passion. Thank you to those returning subscribers. So we're gonna go backwards a little bit, and I wanted to get the answer. I try to respect people's time. A lot of people are gonna use this video as a searching thing. They find it and they check it off and they never come back again. That's okay. Those of you that stay and you like to learn why and you like the feel of these videos on the channel, you guys are awesome. But the cause is pretty simple. It's one of two things. One, you have built up dead skin cells sitting on the surface of your face, and then they're kind of getting dry and then flaking off. And you usually notice them in your beard, you'll notice them on your shirt, but it's the skin in those dead skin cells. Number two, you have built up product on the surface, essentially the same thing. It dries up and then it gets onto your shirt and onto your beard. That can be from using conditioner too much, using conditioner down to the skin. That could be from using cheap oils or fragrance oils that are cheap, or using too much of products that's drying on there, or you're just atrocious to your beard and you're using like lotion. That's going to cause beard drift every single time. So it's one of those two things, dead skin cells or product that's being built up. And then the concept is we need to get rid of that. What does drinking more water do? It detoxes your skin. It's gonna push water through the pores and let it do its job. When you don't have enough water, it's all getting used inside and not able to detox. That's important. And then when we are exfoliating, we're physically getting that stuff that you're seeing on your shirt, seeing on your beard, we're removing it. Now, when you're in the shower, it's probably not going to rinse out entirely. It's probably not going to go all the way down the beard. That's why it's important to wash, especially a wash with a good lather. Get in there with the bubbles, get in there with your fingertips, massage, rinse it out. I like to comb it after the rinse gently. That's going to physically remove everything. And then that beard oil, using a quality beard oil, and then using an appropriate amount is going to allow you to nourish that skin, not leave a film on the surface, And then above all, guys, just take care of it with good quality products and a good quality routine. If you do that, you will not have any beard drift. You will not have dandruff from your face. It's, again, pretty much 100% success rate. There may be some crazy medical condition that should have been on the show house a long time ago, but that's not the rule, right? That could be a freak exception. Most of you watching this, most of you struggling with this will solve it. And I don't even need that much time. Give me 1 week. 1 week of consistent washing, exfoliating, oil, and drinking enough water, and I can dang near promise you that beard dandruff will go away. You get to take that weight off your shoulder, literally. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to see it, and you're just gonna feel great about your beard. And above all of those things I just pointed out, not only get rid of beard dandruff, it's so good for the feel of your beard, the health of the beard, and the styling of your beard. Give it a shot. Down below, you guys, number one, any questions? Is there a why I need to explain more? Is there something that you heard that you want me to confirm or dispel? Put your questions down below. And then if you have an experience with this, please put your comments down below. If you learned this from me and it changed the entire game for you, boom, put it in a comment. Did you discover it yourself? Has this never been a problem for you? Let us know, you guys. Let's get the discussion going down there. And thank you to everyone that has watched, especially if you made it this far in the video. You guys are appreciated. Dan C. Bearded, please stay bearded and stay positive.